we're talking about the relationship between the individual and the group. Animals behave rather more as groups than individuals do. Some species, like the ant, really identifies itself as an ant colony, a cell of which it is, whereas a person wants to be I and have the community as a backdrop to that. So we're discussing that relationship between self and community, as indeed the Sabian symbols mostly do. And it comes up with a surprising result, really. The idea here is that the self is supreme. It is the center of reality. And to concern ourselves overmuch with the community is not necessarily the right thing to do. And we're talking about the general need for human evolution. And this is our first imperative. It's the only really authentic thing that we can feel, that survival instinct. Our first attempt to be priority. It's priority. It's first. And that means survival. So the sense in which the community exists for us is as a field of potentiality. We can't even survive alone. We need the community for that. And we certainly can't evolve into the fullest expression of who we are unless there's a community setting. Because the community, by which we mean shopkeepers and suppliers of our essential needs, we can't mine the metal necessary to make knives and forks. So we need the supply chain. That's one part of the community. But another part is that part where we're going to clubs and associations and having friendships and lovers, and these interactions with other people are the triggers by which we become what we are potentially destined to become. So, although we do want to identify ourselves as an aspect of the community, in part, that's not true to the extent that an ant does. We are not simply a cell of a community, and when we die off, somebody replaces us and the community is the same. It's just not like that. We're more than that. This sense we have of self distinguishes us from the ant.